But what we did do was we took the paint couture embossing medium, Pammy did,
Yep.
and we raised those pumpkins already. Here. So I am the most impatient stenciler, and that's when you get problems. So you want to offload your paint and do thin layers. So I'm using the wider diameter Jamie Ray Vintage brush because these letters are bigger.
Yes.
And who is it? I think Robin says she uses the swirl method.
Yep, some people swirl. Swirling gives it a totally different, like a smooth look, just as long as you don't have too much paint on your brush because you don't want it to go under there. Jacket
So
jeans.
farm grown's going to be black as well.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, I got the black out.
Do it.
Swirl.
Oh, look at her. She's cranking out 3 letters at a time now.
I am not.
Oh,
So
yes.
this needs another coat, you guys. So I think I'm going to go and do that real quick. I promise this is going to get more fun. I think I'm going to do Summer Crush. This one. This is the narrowest, you
Yep,
guys. Now I'm going to use the fire starter to go over that. I've got a stencil brush for the black. Oh, so much better.
That is so cute.
Okay, so this is the chippy paint stamp. So I'm using black ink.
Oh, what are you gonna...
And this saves you from having to paint one coat underneath, like a black.
Yes, and then when you sand it, it's going to look like it was already painted black underneath, and you just, dang, girl. That's why you're the boss.
Oh, yeah. Not gonna.
Cute.
So it's not so flat.
Yes, that looks so cute.
And you. So I do like that.
Yep, that's cute.
And I mean, it's a super, super dry brush.
Yeah.